Now we'll discuss the question number 20. Denoting L as liquid and M as solid in a phase diagram with the subscript representing different phase, a eutectoid reaction is described by. And we have option that M1 which is equal to that M2 plus M3. So generally, if you will see the iron carbon equilibrium diagram, this eutectoid so generally eutectoid reaction that takes place at 723 degrees centigrade, and when we have that 0.8% of that carbon, where that austenite, this austenite will get transformed into that ferrite plus cementite, Fe3C. So here L is your liquid phase and M is solid. So this austenite is solid. So this M1 will transform into that ferrite, which is again that solid, plus cementite, again it is solid. So the correct option we have option A. So where one solid get transformed into other two solids. So in iron carbon equilibrium diagram, it is austenite which will get transformed into that ferrite plus cementite. So answer will be A.